Welcome back to our channel NEET Mantra. I am Prince Sharma, your biology faculty and mentor. So in this video we will solve some NCERT based most important question from the topic cockroach. There are spelling mistake in one or two questions. I will correct it as we solve those questions. So let's start. Our first question is, in male cockroaches, sperm are stored in which part of the reproductive system? Options are seminal vesicle, mushroom glands, testes, vas deferens. Student, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, seminal vesicles. Next question which we have, which of the following feature is not present in Periplaneta americana? Options are exoskeleton composed of N-acetyl glucosamine, metamerically segmented body, schizosylome as body cavity, indeterminate and radial cleavage during embryonic development. Student, comment your answer. So the correct answer to this question is option D, because the cleavage is not radial, it is superficial. So it is not a correct option or a feature of Periplaneta americana. Next question we have, the body cell in cockroach discharge their nitrogenous waste in hemolymph mainly in the form of, options are urea, calcium carbonate, ammonia, potassium urate. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, potassium urate. In cockroach, malpighian tubules extract metabolic waste like potassium and sodium urate, water and carbon dioxide from the blood. In malpighian tubules, bicarbonate of potassium and sodium and water and uric acid are formed. Next question we have, the terga, sterna and pleura of cockroach body are joined by, option are arthrodial membrane, cartilage, cementing glue, muscular tissue. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer for this question is option A. Arthrodial membrane is a tough flexible cuticle that joins the skeletal elements of cockroach and other arthropods. Next we have, what external changes are visible after the last molt of a cockroach nymph? Both forewings and hindwings develop, labium develops, mandible become harder, anal cerci or cerci, whatever you call it, develop. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is, the external changes which are visible after the last mount are both forewings and hindwings develop. So the right answer is option A. Next question we have, select the correct option with respect to cockroaches. So you have to mark this. They are asking for correct option, means 3 are wrong, only 1 is right. So options are, malpighian tubules convert nitrogenous waste into urea, males wear short anal styles not present in females, nervous system comprises of a dorsal nerve cord and 10 pair of ganglia, the forewings are tegmina which are used in flight. Student, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, male wear short anal style not present, which are not present in females. Now we look at option A. Option A is wrong because the nitrogen waste in cockroach is uric acid. Option C is wrong because there are not dorsal nerve cord, they are ventral nervous system present in cockroach. And option D is wrong because the forewings are tegmina and they are not used in flight, they are mainly for the purpose of protection. Next question we see, select the correct statement. Again 3 statements are wrong, 1 is right. Nervous system located dorsally consists of segmentally arranged ganglia joined by a pair of longitudinal connectives. Male bear a pair of short thread like anal styles. There are 16 very long malpighian tubules present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. Grinding of food is carried out only by mouth parts. Student, comment your answer. So answering this question is very easy because in the previous question the answer was the same. So the answer for this question is option B. But I like to discuss the other options here. As I told you in previous question, the nervous system is ventral, so here is the same mistake. Next, there are 16 long Malpighian tube. This is wrong because there are 100 to 150 Malpighian tubules, not only 16. And the option D is grinding of food is carried out only by the mouth part. This is wrong. Gizzard is also involved in grinding of food. Next we have, which of the following happen in common cockroach? चार ऑप्शन में से कौन सा कॉमनली कॉकरोच में पाया जाता है? ऑप्शंस आर Malpighian tubules are excretory organ projected out from the colon. Oxygen is transported by hemoglobin in blood. Nitrogenous excretory product is urea. The food is grounded by the mandible and gizzard. Student, comment your answer. So the right answer is option D. As I told you in previous question, gizzard and mandible are both important for grinding the food. Nitrogenous waste is not urea, oxygen is not transported by hemoglobin, and Malpighian tubules are not projecting out of the colon. Next we see, select the correct sequence of organ in the alimentary canal of cockroach starting from mouth. And here are four options. First is pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, ileum, colon, rectum. Second one is pharynx, esophagus, gizzard, crop, ileum, colon, rectum. Third one is pharynx, esophagus, gizzard, ileum, crop, colon, rectum. Fourth one is pharynx, esophagus, ileum, crop, gizzard, colon, rectum. Student, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A. This is the right sequence: pharynx, esophagus, crop, gizzard, ileum, colon, rectum. Now moving on to next question. The cockroach of genus Blatta is also called. Options are German cockroach, Australian cockroach, American cockroach, Oriental cockroach. Student, comment your answers. So the right answer to this question is Oriental cockroach. The cockroach of genus Blatta is also called Oriental cockroach. Next we see, in the nymphial stage of cockroach, the juvenile hormone is secreted by corpora cardiaca, prothoracic gland, intercerebral gland, and there is a little correction in option D. This cells is not there. Corpora allata. Students, comment your answer. Option D is corpora allata. So the right answer to this question is option D. Corpora allata is responsible for the secretion of juvenile hormone in nymphial stage. Next we see, in cockroach, the ootheca is formed by secretion of conglobate gland, mushroom gland, polytrial gland, phallic gland. Student, comment your answer. The right answer is option C, and there is a spelling mistake here. I am correcting it. Sorry for this. The correct spelling is COLLETERIAL gland. Next we see, Ommatidia serve the purpose of photoreception in frog, sun, cockroach, earthworm. Student, comment your answer. So the right answer is cockroach. Ommatidia are present in cockroach. We are solving cockroach, so this is the obvious answer. But in your NEET examination, this will be not an obvious answer, so you must memorize it. Excretion in cockroach take place by coxal gland, parotid gland, Malpighian tubules, nephridium. Student, comment your answers. So the right answer is option C, Malpighian tubules. Next we see, heart of cockroach is 6 chambered, 9 chambered, 13 chambered, 26 chambered. Student, comment your answers. So the right answer is 13 chambered. 13 chambered heart is found in cockroach. Next question we have, the young one of cockroach is called caterpillar, maggot, nymph, fingerling. Student, comment your answer. It is a very easy question, I know. So the answer is option C, nymph. What is the name of second segment of walking leg of cockroach? Coxa, femur, tarsus, trochanter. Some student called it trochanter, whatever you call it. Comment your answer. So the second segment of walking leg of cockroach is trochanter, and it act like a knee and let the cockroach bend its legs. So if someone asks what its function, then you can say it act like a knee and let the cockroach bend its legs. Next we have, on the lateral side of alimentary canal of cockroach, dash gland are found. Options are acid secreting, salivary, digestive, reproductive. Student, comment your answers. So the right answer to this question is option B, salivary glands are found on lateral side of alimentary canal of cockroach. Next we see, in cockroach, fertilization take place in aqueous chamber, genital chamber, cloacal chamber, vitreous chamber. Comment your answers. So the right answer is option B, genital chamber. In cockroach, fertilization take place in genital chamber. Next we see, in cockroach, the cavity of foregut and hindgut are lined with salivary gland, gizzard, cuticle, chitinous teeth. Student, comment your answer. Right answer to this question is option C, cuticle.